You might have been practicing various manifestation techniques, but what if I told you that you can manifest your desires in 24 hours? It might appear unbelievable, but it is true. I got 100% results every time I used this insane technique. You can manifest your desires within 24 hours using the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings. You see, Neville's teachings offer a refreshing departure from the common concepts of the universe, energy alignment, and vibrations. Instead, it centers on the core principles of the subconscious mind, consciousness as the only reality, and the power of imagination and visualization. In this video, we'll unveil a manifestation technique rooted in Neville Goddard's core teachings, designed to manifest your desires within 24 hours. This is called the rapid manifestation technique. Today, we will mix this technique with Neville's most powerful prayer method, and trust me, they do amazing miracles. Every day, I receive incredible stories about individuals getting raises, winning the lottery, experiencing financial miracles, and achieving success beyond their expectations. Today, I want to share this exceptionally powerful technique with you so you can experience financial abundance and prosperity in your life. All I want is for you to keep watching this video till the end, so don't miss any important step, because you really need to pay close attention to what I'm going to discuss. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like and subscribe. The first step in Neville Goddard's rapid manifestation technique is achieving absolute clarity about your desire. Neville emphasized that the clearer and more specific your desire, the more effectively you can manifest it. Take a moment to get clear on what you truly want to manifest within the next 24 hours. It could be a small goal, such as receiving a phone call from a specific person, finding a parking spot, or achieving a short-term financial target. The key is to choose a desire that you can realistically manifest within the given time frame. Once you've identified your desire, articulate it with precision. Write it down in a concise, affirmative statement. For example, if you desire a job interview, you might say, "I am thrilled to have a job interview with a specific company tomorrow." This statement shows your desire and makes it clear, specific, and in the present tense, as Neville Goddard advocated. The second step involves the concept of revision. Neville Goddard's concept of revision is at the core of this rapid manifestation technique. In this step, you'll revisit an event from your recent past that contradicts your desired outcome. The purpose of revision is to mentally rewrite that past event to align with your current desire. This process helps remove any subconscious blocks or limiting beliefs that might block your manifestation. Begin by recalling an incident from the past few days that feels incongruent with your desire. It could be a conversation, an interaction, or a situation where things didn't go as you would have liked. In your mind, revisit this event, but instead of replaying it as it originally occurred, mentally revise it to reflect your desired outcome. Imagine the situation unfolding exactly as you wish it had. For example, if you're manifesting a job interview and had a recent disappointing job-related interaction, mentally revisit that conversation. Picture it transpiring in a way that aligns with your current desire for a successful interview. Feel the satisfaction and confidence of this revised scenario as if it were a real memory. By consistently practicing revision, you effectively rewrite your subconscious programming to support your desires. Now let's move on to the third step, which involves imagination and visualization. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize the power of imagination and visualization as powerful tools for manifestation. In this step, you'll use the creative power of your mind to vividly imagine and visualize your desire as already fulfilled. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Now, vividly imagine yourself in a scene where your desire has been fully realized within the next 24 hours. Engage all your senses in this mental imagery. What do you see, hear, feel, and even smell and taste in this moment of fulfillment? For instance, if you're manifesting a successful job interview, imagine sitting in the interview room, feeling confident. Visualize the interviewer's positive responses and expressions as they offer you the position. Sense the joy and gratitude as you accept the job offer. Make this mental scene as real and emotionally charged as possible. Now, let's mix this technique with Neville's prayer method, and this is where the magic happens. Neville Goddard's praying technique, rooted in the power of imagination and feeling, transforms prayer from a mere request to a vivid, sensory experience. It's not about reciting words aimlessly, but immersing yourself in the state of already having what you desire. This approach makes the act of praying not just a ritual, but a transformative experience, engaging and exciting to explore. So, the big question is, how exactly we can pray, and what to say during the prayer to make it always work. Don't worry, I will show you everything, and you will finish this video with the required knowledge to manifest whatever you desire tonight. Begin with gratitude. Starting your prayer with gratitude sets a foundation of abundance and acknowledgement of the universe's generosity. Say, "Thank you for this wonderful life, for the fulfillment of my desires, and for the endless opportunities for growth and joy." This isn't just politeness, it's aligning yourself with the frequency of receiving and appreciating. State your desire as present reality. The crux of Goddard's method lies in the present tense. You don't wish, you thank for having. I am so grateful now that I have achieved my dream of. This phraseology shifts your mindset from one of lack to one of possession, making the prayer a powerful affirmation of your current reality, not a plea for a future possibility. So let's take this chance to affirm and pray with each other. Simply repeating, "I am so grateful now that I have achieved my dreams." Alternatively, you can follow my approach and customize them, like "I am so grateful now that I have achieved my dream job," or "I am so grateful now that I have bought my dream car." The key is to repeat them consistently until they become a habit. Once they become ingrained in your brain as a habit, you won't need to consciously think about it. It transitions from being an exercise to becoming a part of your subconscious operating system. It transforms from something you do into something you naturally are. Invoke the senses. Bring your prayer to life by involving your senses. Describe the experience of your wish fulfilled in vivid detail. I feel the warmth of the sunlight on my face as I walk through the door of my new home, hearing the laughter of my family, smelling the fresh paint. Such descriptions do more than paint a picture. They transport you into the reality of your wish fulfilled, enhancing the emotional resonance of your prayer. Embody the emotion. The emotional charge behind your words is the true magic. After detailing your wish, immerse yourself in the feeling. My heart is overflowing with joy and gratitude as I embrace this new chapter in my life. Letting the emotion permeate your prayer amplifies its power, sending a strong signal to the universe that you're ready and receptive. Affirm your faith and release. Conclude your prayer by affirming your faith in the process and releasing your desire to the universe. I trust in the wisdom and timing of the universe to bring this to fruition. I let go and allow it to manifest. This step is crucial. It signifies your trust in the process and your detachment from the outcome, a key principle in Goddard's teaching. Crafting your prayer with these elements not only aligns with Neville Goddard's principles, but also transforms the act of praying into a profound experience of creation. It's a flow, a rhythm of speaking your world into existence, grounded in the certainty that what you desire is as real as the words you use to frame it. Now, let's return to our rapid manifestation method. More specifically, let's return to the scene you've been visualizing in the previous step. As you imagine your desire fulfilled, pay close attention to the emotions and feelings associated with this moment. How does it feel to have your wish granted within the next 24 hours? Whether it's joy, relief, gratitude, or any other positive emotion, let it flow through you. To intensify this feeling, you may choose to repeat a short affirmation related to your desire. For instance, if your goal is a successful job interview, you could silently affirm, "I am thrilled and grateful for this job opportunity." As you affirm, make sure that you genuinely feel the emotion behind the words. Neville Goddard believed that your subconscious mind responds most powerfully to emotions. By immersing yourself in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you create a strong bond between your inner state and your desired outcome. It accelerates the manifestation process. The fifth step in Neville Goddard's rapid manifestation technique is one of surrender and trust. After vividly imagining, visualizing, and feeling your desire as fulfilled, it's essential to release any attachment to the outcome. This act of letting go is a testament to your faith in the creative power of your subconscious mind. In the final step of Neville Goddard's rapid manifestation technique, you solidify your manifestation by expressing gratitude and bringing closure to the process. Gratitude is the ultimate catalyst for the completion of your desire, and it reinforces your belief in the power of your subconscious mind. Begin by taking a moment to express heartfelt gratitude for the fulfillment of your desire within the next 24 hours. Feel the deep appreciation for the role your subconscious mind has played in making this manifestation possible. As you express gratitude, you strengthen your connection with the creative forces of your consciousness. While expressing gratitude, avoid phrases that imply your desire is still in the future. Instead, frame your statements as if your manifestation has already occurred. After expressing gratitude, visualize a sense of closure. Imagine a mental scene where you acknowledge the fulfillment of your desire and confidently move forward with your day, knowing that it is already done. This step reinforces your belief that your desire is a reality in the present moment. As we conclude Neville Goddard's rapid manifestation technique, remember that the power to manifest your desires resides within you. By embracing the principles of your subconscious mind, conscious awareness, imagination, and visualization, you have the tools to transform your reality. If you haven't subscribed, please do so to watch more videos.